Chapter 9. Computer Virus. What is computer virus? In human beings, viruses cause many diseases. Similarly to this is the computer virus, which is a kind of infection that affects the computer system and destroys the data present in the system. Computer viruses are small software programs that are designed to spread from one computer to another and to interfere with the computer operation. A virus program is able to replicate itself. This means that the virus multiplies on a computer by making copies of it. How do you get a computer virus? Viruses attack your computer and infect it in several ways. Some of the most common ways in which your computer gets a virus are: computer viruses are often spread by attachments in email messages or instant messages. That is why it is essential that you never open email attachments unless you know who it is from and you are expecting it. Computer viruses can also spread through an infected CD or pen drive that actually carries viruses. Computer viruses also spread by visiting malicious websites and downloading infected files. They can be hidden in illicit software or other files or programs you might download. Impact of virus on computers. Viruses commonly have the following effects on computers. The speed of your computer may go down to a considerable extent. Destruction or theft of data and malicious access to the computer resources. Unusual messages are displayed. It hangs the system frequently. Deletes and damages the files in the system. Certain software may not start at all. Types of computer viruses. Viruses are categorized on the basis of their unique characteristics and their way of attacking a computer system. To know about some of the important viruses in details, let us explore them based on its type. Boot sector viruses. The boot sector is the area of a hard disk that stores valuable information. Boot sector viruses affect this area and cause damage. These are very harmful viruses. It becomes active at the time of booting the system. Some examples of boot sector viruses are Brain, Michelangelo, and Stoned. File virus. This group of virus replicates by attaching itself to program files and dynamic link libraries. Thus, files having .exe, .com, .dll extension get infected and further replicate and spread to other files. Example of file virus is Sunday, Clevix. Macro virus. These viruses are written in macro language which is embedded in software itself. They infect documents such as MS Word or MS Excel and are typically spread to other similar documents. Melissa, WM Nice Day, and Bablas are some examples of these viruses. Worms. A computer worm is a self-replicating computer program that penetrates an operating system with the intent of spreading malicious codes. Worms utilize network to send copies of the original code to other computers, causing harm by consuming bandwidth or possibly deleting files or sending documents via email. Trojan's horses or Trojans. A Trojan horse, often shortened to Trojan, refers to a program that contains hidden malicious functions that look like something funny or useful such as game or utility but harm the system when executed. Trojan horses do not have the ability to replicate themselves like viruses. However, they can lead to viruses being installed on a machine since they allow the computer to be controlled by the Trojan creator. Spyware. Spyware is a type of program that is installed on a computer without the knowledge of the owner in order to collect owner's private information. Spyware is often hidden from the user in order to gather information about internet interaction, keystrokes, also known as keylogging, passwords, and other valuable data. Spyware can also negatively affect a computer's performance by installing additional software, redirecting web browser searches, changing computer settings, reducing connection speeds, changing the home page, or even completely disrupting network connection ability. Adware. It is an abbreviation for advertising supported software. Adware comes bundled with some commercial software or freeware which installs and displays the advertising material in a pop-up window when online and sometimes gets installed on the system when you are downloading pirated software. Prevention against virus infection. There are several things you can do to protect your computer from viruses. Always use external media after scanning for viruses. Files that are downloaded from the internet should be scanned before use. Always take the backup of your files on a regular basis. Always maintain copies of your important files just in case your computer gets infected and crashes, you still have another duplicate copy of the same document. Install antivirus software which will help you to protect your system against virus with regular updated for new virus signatures and scan. Use password to protect your computer from unauthorized access. Antivirus software. Antivirus softwares are computer programs which are designed to identify, prevent, and remove viruses from the computer. It scans emails and their attachments, all downloaded programs, etc. It identifies suspicious behavior from any computer program which might indicate infection. Most antivirus use virus signature scanning to detect viruses on your computer. This means that the antivirus program has a list of known virus signatures in its database and checks this database each time your PC opens or access any file. We should update our computer with the latest versions of antivirus definitions. Most of the antivirus software companies provide the facilities to download the latest update from their websites. Some popular antivirus softwares are as follows: Norton, Kaspersky, Quick Heal, Avast. Quick review. Computer virus is a software program that infects the computer by placing or modifying a copy of itself in the system. There are various types of viruses such as boot sector virus, file virus, trojans, worms, etc. The virus spreads through internet, removable disk, email attachment, etc. One can enhance the security of data and PC by taking some precautions to protect against virus. Antivirus is a software designed to protect the computer against viruses.